my gosh, I should do this vlog in Igbo. Yes, what's up? Welcome to my channel, you guys. Today is another travel vlog. We are going to Anambra State this morning, actually in the afternoon, but we're leaving soon. I'm really excited to be in my actual, my actual city. But I also haven't been to Anambra in so long. We used to go there every year for Christmas, but obviously since I moved to Canada I haven't been in a minute, so I'm kind of excited to see what the vibe is like now. Yeah, so this should be exciting. It's an Igbo Christmas in the village. It's going to be very like nostalgic. Yeah, anyways, let's see. Just landed in Anambra girls. Let's see what Anambra has for us for the couple days that we're here. Give me some strength too. Yeah. Are you happy to be home? So we came in last night. I was so tired. I just went to bed. But today is the 24th, Christmas Eve. So I just woke up. It's like past 9. I'm just going to have my shower and go eat breakfast. So yeah, let's go. Day 1 in the village. I'm so excited for today's breakfast because it's been a minute that I had okay, I'll show you guys what I'm having for breakfast so I don't ruin the surprise, even though it's not really a surprise because I don't know if you guys actually care. Okay, I'm just yapping, but yeah, let's actually do my skincare and get going. You guys, I got this boo-boo from a Nigerian brand that I absolutely love. So it has a belt inside, so I tied it so it looks more fitted. Do you get? But yeah, it's really cute and it's so long. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm ready to live my best village life. Slaying for the body because nobody wants to be looking ashy. I'm officially ready for the day. Oh, it comes with a scarf. I don't know if I should tie it. I'm going for the complete Anambra girl look. So this is the scarf that it comes with. I kind of want to tie it though. I feel like I want to see how that looks. So let's try. Ooh, this is not bad. Oh my gosh, I should do this vlog in Igbo. If you guys don't know, I'm actually quite fluent in Igbo. What's it, Soma and Divine Tata? I'm gonna make vlog in Igbo. So, K Gary notes her. Opa Dioko Kaigiri. Okay. King Kebun Kim. Okay. Igbo what? Okay. Camry go dini because aguna go smiki. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Hi guys, I'm about to go out, but the sun here was so nice. Oh, it's too much now. So I was like, I have to come and take a snap here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, I'm about to go out, so I don't know if I can vlog, but I'll try and show you guys. So we are on our way back home. And they make a vlog, neighbor. This is my scarf, just shifting, but that's okay. We're walking back home now. This is a nice evening stroll. Like, fresh breeze, you know. Good morning guys, this is Christmas morning. The cook just made yam and egg, which is like my favorite thing ever, and there's like some beef from, I think it was from yesterday, but yes, I'm about to have that for breakfast. Yummy. It's so good. Like, okay. Thank you, that's okay. Strong. Let's cheers. When in Anambra, drink palm wine. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Okay, let me actually look cute before I say Merry Christmas. Okay. Today is finally Christmas and I'm so happy, I'm so excited. My cousins are coming over today. I don't know what else we're going to do, but yeah, it's Christmas in the village, so there's definitely something to do. I think we're also going for like a party later today as well, but yeah, we'll see how the day goes. I'm really excited. I love my outfits. You guys, let me just be your plug for getting stuff from Nigerian brands, because I know all the like cute places to get cute clothes from. Okay, I'm just yapping, but yeah, let's get ready for the day. So I'm going to just quickly do my skincare. It is so hot. Like, what is this heat? Mom, what do you need help with? Huh? What do you need help with? We're just planting this food. Yeah, guys, Christmas Day.
What the fuck is it?
Oh, grab it now. It's in the chubby. Like, just small focus.
Fuck it.
Okay, we take it. Maybe it's here for yourself. Okay, this color, okay. Let's go, sir. And then you have the excess there. The excess, okay. I don't know what you mean by excess. Okay, so we're changing one. Maybe like at the end. Okay, don't worry, you're not in it. What's this one? It's not so you just have to read this a bit. So that's such good support. Oh, is it recording? Okay. We worked hard to set this table up. We did. Yeah, this is one of the rewards. So. Hey, say hi. Hello. Is it good? I made it.
Serious.
I made it now. Let's go take some pictures. Anambra girls. It want to be Anambra girl. Yes, we're twins. We're twins. Okay. So guys, we came to okay. No, that's anywhere. How will you? Can I help you? You're just waking up. Miss Uju, hurry. Why are you running? So guys, went to see our people. Yeah.
So guys, back to the vlog.
Yeah. I'm here in Inri. I came to see my people.
Nah, I don't want to know where I'm from. I'm here in Inri.
Yes, part of Inri. I was actually recording.
Yeah, you not say I almost got shot.
Like,
Too much.
look out what's that, please.
No, it was too much. Please.
This is like chocolate.
Chop my guy, man.
Oh, you need a brown post.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Toronto.
Bye, auntie. So. Bye. Yes, I will. Where's your food? Oh, she put it in the car already.
Pay attention, everybody. I know you're all in indigenous, okay? We came from different places, and it would be nice to get to know each other. That's one of the main purposes of you guys being here. In as much as you're here to have fun, okay? Please feel free to talk to each other, state your numbers, know their first and last name, not just Kevin. You need to know each person's first and last name. If possible, their village.
Purchase your tracks today. Silver Cross Beach.
Hi guys. So we just got back home. I mean, like an hour ago. It's currently like 11:59. Yeah, we go home like around 11. Yeah, today is our last day in the village. We're leaving for Abuja tomorrow. And I'm sad, surprisingly, because I didn't even want to come to the village in the first place. But I had a really good time tonight. So yeah, it was really good. Can't wait to be back. Yeah, I actually can't wait to be back. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if I'll vlog tomorrow, but if I don't, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe as well.
said everybody, it's you that I'm wanting.